Dry my tears, maybe some years they're gonna fade away into the night when you get there, my dear. You know your life was worth a bite, oh fear. Looking in my rear, got so many memories stuck right there. Rest in peace in the light, 'cause our tears
So,
will fade
like father, like.
What's good, Suzzanne? It's a girl Suzzanne, and I'm back with another lit video for you guys. Alright guys, so in today's video, what I'll be doing is I'm trying to come up with this puff, high puff. Yeah, as you can see by the title. So yeah, that's what we're doing. I hope you guys enjoy and actually learn something, whether old or new. Yep, that's our aim. As long as you learn something, hata kama ni moja, that's all you need. Yeah, so today I'll be showing you how I come up, how I wear my high puff basically, because everyone wears them differently, but I'm sharing my side of story. So yeah, that's basically it. I hope you guys stay tuned and enjoy and actually see whatever I do, because it's a nice style for like 4 minutes. If you're in a hurry, you can go to work with this, you can like go to school in this. It's like a style for any occasion basically. Yeah, so that's what I'll be sharing today. Hope you guys enjoy. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn your bell notifications on to stay updated about every time I post, and let's just get straight to the video. Yay. Alright, I know, right? Okay, so I guess I'll just show you the product I'm using and then just start the video, because I don't think I can do as I explain, but I'll try also. So I'm using this large whatever comb, and then this for this basics. This is the gel I'm using, Move It. It's color brown. I like it because it like matches my hair instead of the, anyway, the other ones just don't work for me. And then I use this coconut oil toothbrush. There's some hairspray, and then also some water to like make it easy to detangle and stuff, and then there's also a string used to tie. So currently I'm having these matutas. What we'll do first of all is undo the matutas. First things first, I'll use the water. So just spray the water to like make it easy to channel. Okay, so after water, I'll use some coconut oil. Ooh, sheesh, it has melted. Optional. No. So I'll just apply the oil all over my hair. I know a lot of people normally think that I use gel for like this part, but no, I just use oil, my coconut oil. Gel, I only use gel for my to lay my edges. Other than that, no. not done yet. Here is where the juice is. So I know some people, you might like, if you don't have a black thing and maybe you're using another color, you can just, you know, the way like this, so someone can tell where it ends. I don't like it like that. So what I do is I use just my fingers and be like, hold the rest up, and then like do that with your hands to cover the rest. So do that all over the bun, the puff. This takes less than even 5 minutes, guys. So it's an easy hairstyle for work, school, whatever you're doing. You can actually go to work like this with your suit. You can go to school like this. You can do whatever with this. You know, your choice. But yeah, so that's basically it. Let's get to the edges. Let's do them edges. As I said, I'm using Movit. You guys can see inside. I love this gel. The other ones just don't work for me. So that one, if you use it, it won't be like messing your hair or whatever. So guys, I don't know what to do, but I'm gonna use this mirror right here. The edges weren't just working for me here, so I decided to just do it off camera. But yeah, that's everything. And then last, you just use the hairspray to spray all over the puff. Ooh. Just to bring that shine. Alright guys, so that's the end of the video. I'm done with the hairstyle. I hope you guys learned something. I hope you got something new or old or whatever. I hope you got something out of this. Yeah, so that's the end of the video. I had to move a little bit because it was getting super sunny where I was shooting. But yeah, that's it. We are done. This is the hairstyle, and it's shiny and it's easy. It's like 5 minutes at most. Yeah, that's all, I guess. So yeah, that's the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn your bell notifications on to stay updated about every time I post, because we are on the road to 1,000 subscribers. Thank you guys for watching, and thank you for staying tuned till the end. Till next time, always remember to never